In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own music to an Instagram post. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Instagram tip videos just like this. But if the song that you want to use isn't on Instagram, maybe it's say like your own song, you'll first need to have it as a part of a video. If it already is, you can go ahead and skip ahead. If it's not, go ahead and back out of Instagram and open up the App Store or Google Play Store on Android and download CapCut. You can do this just by searching up CapCut just like so, finding it, and then downloading it here. Once CapCut does finish downloading, go ahead and open it up and go ahead and tap on New Project up at the top. Select Photos up at the very top and go ahead and choose a random photo just like so, and then hit Add in the bottom right to go ahead and add it. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find this little bottom section here and click on Audio at the bottom and then tap on Sounds just like so. You're going to want to go ahead and tap on this little folder icon up at the very top and then go ahead and hit Select from Device by hitting Device and then selecting it just like so. Find your audio file within your Files app, and from here, go ahead and select it and hit Open just like so. This will go ahead and load for a second, but once it does get imported, go ahead and tap on this little plus icon to add it to your project. You're going to want to go ahead and adjust this photo length to match the entire length of the audio, just like so, and then hit Export up in the top right and save the video. Once it's done, it'll be saved to your device. Go ahead and open up Instagram and go ahead and go onto an alt account. From here, go ahead and hit this little plus icon and post it to your alt account first. And what I recommend doing after is actually just sending this to your main account. I'm doing that right now so you can see. Once it does post for you, go ahead and select it and then go ahead and choose the share option and send it to your main account. From here, go on to your main account, go ahead and click on your messages, find the shared reel just like so, click on it and then click on the sound in the bottom right and go ahead and choose this little save button right here. Now, when creating your new Instagram post, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this add audio section, go to saved, find this audio right here, hit this little next arrow, and then you could choose the part in that song where you'd like it to play, hit done, and you're good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.